Let us go through the part 4 of today's session. Here we are going to discuss about the laws of photoelectric emission. According to the laws of photoelectric effect, for a given photosensitive material and frequency of incident radiation, which must be above the threshold frequency, the photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of incident light. For a given photosensitive material and frequency of incident radiation, saturation current is found to be proportional to the intensity of incident radiation, whereas stopping potential is independent of its intensity. For a given photosensitive material, there exists a certain minimum cutoff frequency of the incident radiation called the threshold frequency, below which no emission of photoelectrons takes place, no matter how intense the incident light is. Above the threshold frequency, the stopping potential, or equivalently the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectrons, increases linearly with the frequency of the incident radiation but is independent of its intensity. The photoelectric emission is an instantaneous process without any apparent time lag, even when the incident radiation is made exceedingly dim. So we have found that the photoelectric effect is an instantaneous process. So the surface begins to emit photoelectrons as soon as the light falls on it. Also, the emission of photoelectrons stops the moment the incident light is cut off. In the case of alkali metals like sodium, potassium, etc., the first ionization potential is low and hence emit electrons even when ordinary light falls on them. So, these materials are also known as photosensitive materials. Also, photoelectrons are emitted with different velocities. The maximum velocity and hence the maximum kinetic energy of a photoelectron depends upon the frequency of incident light and does not depend upon its intensity. We have already discussed that if the frequency of light is less than the threshold frequency, photoelectrons are not emitted, however large the intensity of incident light may be. For a given metallic surface, photoelectrons are emitted only when the frequency of incident light is greater than or equal to a certain minimum frequency, nu naught, which is known as the threshold frequency. And this threshold frequency will be different for different substances. Hope you have understood the laws of photoelectric emission. This is just a theoretical chapter. Please go through the points again and again and try to understand and learn them. Thank you, my dear students.